Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a wee knife company, Roxi 3, here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this fella, because it's interesting. So this is a titanium frame lock made by Wee Knives. It's gonna be around $230 if you can find one. Nicely flame anodized frame, even if I'm not like a flamed ano fan, but this is differently done. This is nice, yeah. Nicely sculpted frame. This is a design by Seth and Terry Todd for this wee made knife in China, Warncliffe blade. It has like an utilitarian look. Like, look at this. This can shred boxes and pierce, and it's just like, look at that. That's like a very interesting one. Chunky S35 VN steel blade. This guy runs on bearings. You can do a very well advanced grip for this fella. And of course, it's a front flipper. Let's quickly check this size for this blade length, because it's under, you see, blade is going to be 3.25, but the actual cutting edge is going to be 2.8 inches with a handle, and it's going to be like 4 inches, so not a big knife. So overall length is going to be 7.2 inches. Not too bad. You get stainless steel lock face insert screwed in from the outside. You do get an over travel lock bar stabilizer, a titanium tip-up carry, sculpted pocket clip with some nice tension, backspacer, nicely milled. Look at that work going on. Anodized hardware, captive pivot, stonewash blade. There's a hole you can do like your, yeah, you see, reverse flick. You can do a thumb flick. You can do a front flipping thing. I mean, it's very cool, especially like in this position. Like the jimping is aggressive, the finger choil is working well. Look at this. This is nice. Chunky blade, stone washed, finished. Is very, very interesting. I mean, it's not probably my jam, but I do see the functionality. I do see the design that went into making this one, and it's a cool one. Also, what is nice is the weight. Let's quickly check how much is going to be weighing this guy, because I don't see any internal skeletonization going on over here, but still doesn't feel that heavy. But still, 4.23 ounces. Not too bad. It's chunky, but for the size especially, and also the sound, opening sound, it's alright, but closing sound, beautiful. This is alright. I mean, not too crazy. This is fantastic. I love the tinking sound when this guy just closes. Also, like that, ergonomically speaking, is pretty good. I do get a little bit of hot spot right over here. You see, because my hands is just gonna close like that. I wouldn't do like a reverse grip, but still, overall, not too shabby. Action is also very good. So there you have it. If you want to know more, guys, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.